Oh yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Sam. I'm just your average dirt bike rider. Welcome to Grit Motorsports.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the video. In this one, I'm going to show you guys what it's like to climb Big Bertha, which is one of the coolest, most well-known climbs out here on the western slope. It's located right between Peach Valley OHV and Flat Top OHV area out in the Adobes, which are kind of like a hard-packed desert, tons of hills and stuff. Check it out. This is my first time climbing it. I've never gone up this line to the top. This is kind of the main line on the way up. And as you watch the video, you can see other people kind of make their own lines too. Super neat spot. Hopefully this just kind of gets you excited that there's another cool place here in the US to come out and ride your dirt bike. So yeah, enjoy it, and hope to see you out there at the top.
All right, never been up there before. Oh yeah. That one's been in my head all summer. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, that one has been in my head, psyching me out all summer, and that was rad. I'll probably do it again. Super fun. Oh, I missed my turnoff. Woo! That was fun. It was like perfect. Who's next?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want to come out and ride the trails you see in the videos, go to grit-motorsports.com for more information. We also have the ability to rent these 2023 KTM 300XC TBIs. I know it's a mouthful. They're the baddest thing on the trail right now. They're super fun. That's what I'm usually riding in these videos. But come on out, you can get to desert adobe riding, and then a half hour later you can be up on the plateau in trees on awesome single track, and it's incredible. You can also bring the whole family out. We're an hour and a half away from the town of Telluride. We're 45 minutes away from Ouray, which is the Switzerland of America. If you've never been there, come out and check it out. But plan a guy's trip, rent these for a week, bring the family out, spend a day even, and then head on into the rest of Colorado. There's just so much to do out here. Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.